What if there was a fast way to multiplying any number by 11, 12, 13 through to 19? In this video, I'll be showing you a simple math trick to solving such multiplication problems. Watch and learn. So for this video, we'll be looking at a few examples here. 1, 2, 7. Then after the video, I'm going to drop maybe a problem that you can try on your own and see if this method works. So the first one is a 23 times 11. All right, it's very simple. Now what you do, the first thing to do is take this your first number, write it out, 2. The next number will be 2 plus 3, which gives us 5. And then just take 3 and carry it over here, and that's all. Within a matter of seconds, you are done with this problem. So 23 times 11 is 253. Right? Let's try the next question. 1, 2, 3 times 11. Here we are dealing with a 3-digit number. How do you solve this problem? So like I said, first things first, take the first number out, bring it here. Okay. Now secondly, the next number will be 1 plus 2, which is obviously 3. Okay, the next number, you guessed right, 2 plus 3, which is 5. And the last number will be 3. As simple as that. Then the next one, 256 times 11. Okay, so of course you know that the first number has to be what? 2. Right? The next number is now 2 plus 5. You're correct. 7. But the next one is what? 5 plus 6, which is 11. So do we write 11? No. We write 1 and carry over 1 on top of the 7. So just follow me. All right. So now the last number will be 6, which you bring this way. So I come again, 2 first, then 2 plus 5, 7. 5 plus 6, 11. You write 1, carry 1, and then 6, which is the last one. Now what do we do with this one we carried? It's just simply add it. So 2, this 1 plus the 7 is what? 8. And then you have 1 and 6. Very simple, right? Then the next one, multiplication by 12. So 23 times 12, how do we work it out? It's just the same thing we did in the first one, but a little bit different. So you start with writing 2. You just take 2 out. Okay. Now when you do that, the next thing you have to do is you multiply this 2 by this 2 here. So 2 times 2 is 4. Then you take this 4 and add it to this next number, which is 3. So I come again, 2 times 2, 4, plus 3, 7. So I write 7 out there. Then the next number, you just do 3 times 2, which is 6. Exactly. So 2 times, the first one I did is just to write 2. The next thing I did was 2 times 2, which is 4 plus 3, 7. The last thing is 3 times 2, 6. Right, we'll look at a problem with 3 digits. 425 times 12. Remember the first thing I said, you should write your 4, just take your 4 out. Always. Okay, so the next thing to do is 4 times 2, which is what? 8 plus 2 is what? 10. So you write 0 and carry your 1. Okay, so after that you do 2 times 2, 4 plus 5, 9. So it's 9. All right, so what next? 5 times 2, which is the last thing here. 5 times 2 is 10. You write 0 and carry 1 over. All right, so now what do you do next? Remember, you've carried 1 over, so you start adding the ones you carried over. 1 plus 4, 5, 0. 1 plus 9 is 10. So you write 0 and carry the 1 over to this place, right? And then you have 0 again. So we see how we carried over 1. We still need to add it. It becomes 5. 1 plus 0, 1, and 0, 0. I think that's very simple. It's straightforward. All right, so let's do the remaining two we have here. 37 times 13. Okay, how do we work this out? It's simple as well. Remember, always take your 3, the first number, out. So what's the next thing? Think. You guess it right. So 3 times 3, which is 9, plus 7. 9 plus 7 is what? 16. So you write your 6 and carry your 1. So what's the next thing? That's correct. 7 times 3 is what? 21. 21, you write 1 and carry 2. So don't forget to add the ones you carried. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 6 is 8, and then you have 1 here. And that's it.